though. It still will look the same in the end. Hi friends, I'm so excited for what we're making today because I've been eating really bad and I need a little something healthy to just break up my week. We're gonna make something delicious, quick and easy for Jennifer Garner. It's a tuna, brown rice, kale dish. And it sounds really healthy, but she assures us to be really good. So let's get started.
So we had to make the marinade a little bit earlier today because we needed to make sure that it was nice and cooled down so that we can marinate our tuna. So we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, some lemon zest, chopped up thyme, crushed garlic, and a little red pepper flake for that kick. And then we're going to put it over the fire until it gets nice and bubbly, and then we're going to remove it off before it burns and let it cool down. And then we're going to pour half of that marinade over our tuna and save the other half for later.
So I didn't cut my tuna according to directions. So you're supposed to buy 2 steaks of tuna and then slice it the long way so that you now have 4 pieces. I only bought 1 steak because I'm assuming that I'm going to be the only one eating this. And I just cut it up into slices because I know that in the end, after this cooks, we're going to end up chopping it anyway. So I just wanted to explain why mine look different than Kat. I'm not going to call it a mistake though, because it still will look the same in the end. And mine is cooking fast.
Let's talk about our favorite Jennifer Garner movie. So, of course, the classic 13 going on 30 is like such an adorable movie, and I feel like I know every word to this movie.
I watched that with my boys recently. It was so good. We all loved it.
I follow her on Instagram and she always does her pretend cooking show and it's just so adorable. I just wish I was as cute as her.
Talk about relatable and being real. I mean, she doesn't always come on full makeup. She just captures like these nice moments or funny moments or even awkward moments in her life, and I think that makes her awesome.
Yeah, mine is still pink on the side, so I'm just gonna give it just 1 more minute. I like raw tuna, but this wasn't fresh tuna. It was actually frozen tuna fillets that I bought, so it's not like sushi grade or anything, so I get a little weirded out.
I feel like this pan creates more splatterage. I have never been shot by oil so many times ever since I've gotten this pan. I think it's the pan. It's partially me, but really the pan. I know not to mix oil and water.
This is one of the easiest recipes. And Gina and I say this continuously, but I really think this is like one of the easiest recipes we've ever done. Over a bed of brown rice, we're going to add in kale, sliced avocado, our sliced tuna, some of that lemon thyme oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste.
All right, can a really easy dish be good? We shall see.
Let's see. So I used a brown rice and quinoa base. So her recipe calls for just brown rice. So I'm making mine just a little bit more special with the quinoa. But I think it's really good. It's got a lot of flavor actually from the marinade. You really do taste the zest, but it's not like punch you in the face zest. It's really just like subtle and really good. I think it's like the perfect dish for like a nice summer evening. What do you think?
So I went the greens route. I did just a bed of like power greens with some kale. And it's really good. I think it's the marinade is the bomb. I think that makes it the star of the show. And the tuna makes it feel like a meal. It's your protein and it doesn't feel like it's missing anything. I am definitely gonna make this again. And now that the weather's getting warmer, I'm gonna make it like every week. It's awesome.
Well, there you go. This is a winner. Jennifer Garner says this is like one of her go-to dinners that she makes, and she says it's a little fancy, but really easy and really yummy. And we both agree, it's a thumbs up, right Gina?
Thumbs up.
All right guys, there you go. Another winner from Jennifer Garner. We love her as an actress. She has her pretend cooking show on Instagram, so check that out. But make sure you subscribe to Gina and myself. We're testing more and more celebrity recipes at home. So don't miss another episode. Subscribe and hit that bell, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.